Okay, here is a Bartack by Atlas USA AT1850 42 stitch heavy duty. We're going to demonstrate the machine right now to work. The machine is on, as you see, and right now we saw a heavy duty with a nylon thread B69. Go ahead. It's a 42 stitch. You can make a quarter. As you see that, you can go also heavier if necessary. And right now we put a 4-way and a heavy duty one. As you see that. All right, here you can see if you want to wind your thread, you just push that and you see it works. When you be full, it will jump right out. And the thread you put on the top, one around the discs going down, and around the bobbin right here. You're gonna install your bobbin right here, and then you push it, and you see it's gonna turn and fill up the bobbin, and when it's full, it's just gonna jump. All right. Thank you very much from Atlas Levy Sewing Machine Company. The machine come complete.